Let's see how to change text direction in a table in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now for this table, all of our text is in a direction horizontally. Now let's say that we want to change our text to type vertically. What we can do is click on a particular cell that has the text in it. Now, for example, the cell saying quantity, we want to change it so that the text direction goes upwards instead of horizontal. Now let's go ahead to table layout, and you will see right here that you have a lot of options for the text direction whenever you click one of these. And what that will look like is that it will automatically align the text, so you can align it either horizontally or vertically within that cell. You can also click text direction to change its direction if you want it to go upwards or downwards or the other way around. And that is how you change the text direction within a table in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.